Hey y'all, it's Nida. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be getting unready. It is 9:04 and I have already filmed. This flawless face is from my flawless foundation routine, which is more than likely going to go up before this video. So I'll leave an eye above for that so you can check it out. But I'm just going to take you guys through my nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to do a mask. I'm going to take my makeup off. And yeah, not too much long talking. Let's get this started. right, that is it for my little get unready with me video. This is this isn't my like every night skincare routine. It's more so like definitely a little more intensive after I've taken off my makeup. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, I am uploading every Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday at 7 p. EST and Saturday at 3:30 p. EST. Hit the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.